Hi guys! Thank you for coming to my first educational online video. I'm Lucy, a Toastmaster as well as an English language teacher from Malaysia. Today it's the day 35th of our lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic, and teachers are trying their best to reach out to the students. So, for my first video, I would like to share with you on how to become a better English speaker. Are you ready? Let's go! Step 1. Know your audience. I know it sounds cliche, but believe me, this is the most crucial point. Who are we talking to? Why are they coming to attend your talk? What do they know before this? And how can my presentation help them to benefit this 1 or 2 hour session? Step number 2, KOJ. Kick out the junk. For speakers, we have an allocated time to deliver our speech or presentation. If we do not craft our delivery properly, we might add in a lot of junk that are not suitable or related to the presentation. Therefore, the first step is to think carefully and to summarize what we would like to deliver to our audience. Step number 3, write out your presentation. This is the question I asked one of my mentors 5 years ago. Do you actually write word by word and memorize the speech? Her answer is no. She actually just drafted out her speech with the introduction, 3 content points with elaboration and personal experience, and have a conclusion. Since then, I have this habit of just drafting out my speech in the computer. Step 4. Record yourself presenting the speech. I find this tip really useful because for the past 3 years, I have started this habit of recording my speech using my phone, and it actually helps me to identify my areas of weaknesses or areas of improvement. Same goes to this presentation. I actually have to record my voice a few times before deciding to submit. Step 5. Rewrite, record, and re-listen, repeat. Like any good speech, practice makes perfect. You identify your weakness, you rewrite to improve the language, check through the tenses and vocabulary, you record it again, and you listen if there are any other areas you can improve. Continue this until you come to a satisfactory delivery. Hi guys, we are now at step 6, talk in front of a live audience. Earlier on, our tips were all on speaking individually, like you can do it in front of a mirror or personally in front of a phone. But when you challenge yourself to talk in front of a live audience, that makes things exciting. This is me, and I still can't believe I was invited as an MC for a TED event in 2019. Step 7. Watch it and evaluate it. Early on, we recommended you to record your voice, and now it is to record your video. Top down, preferably with a tripod, or if there is a friend who can help you to take the video. This is when you replay the video, you can look at your first eye contact. Are your eyes moving from the left, center, right, top, and front and back? Hands. Are your hands moving naturally, or are they crossed out in front of you, or fidgety? Step 8. Apply feedback with caution. Think back. Are you a person who is very sensitive? When people give you feedback, do you take it positively? Or you feel hurt and you just give up? Sometimes you really need to be careful and think if the suggestion or the feedback given is really to our benefit or just to pull us down. Be mindful. Public speaking world champion Mr. Aaron Beverly told us that it is important to set a cut-off date for editing. For perfectionists, they will go on perfecting until the last dot, which is not wrong. But if you are to deliver or to present a speech in front of an audience, it is suggested to have a cut-off date so that you will have ample time to internalize your speech instead of having the last-minute changes, which cause you more anxiety. Last but not least, step 11. Internalize your speech. What is the difference between internalize and memorizing? Look at this. Memorize less and internalize more. When you internalize things, the things become yours. It's in your mind naturally, but you don't memorize word by word because they will turn out very fake. And when you are just trying so hard to remember, your eyes will look up to the ceiling and you will not appear natural. So internalize your speech, the content. What is the message you would like to bring to the audience? Be natural. Be yourself. Hi guys, thank you for watching, and this is a project that I have to submit to Simburn because I attended one of their workshops this afternoon. So as a conclusion, I would like to encourage teachers, do join a Toastmasters club near you today, because then we are equipped with the knowledge and the skills to be a better speakers. We can actually impart it to our students, and well, that's my goal. Hope to see you one day, and thank you.